like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And I had some lighter stuff on top of this, and it already came off. Anyway, I'm here today with my Macy's, and this is, if you're not familiar with it, it's $15 a month, and I'll leave the link down below. And it's usually samples, but they're higher end samples. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Now, they always have an added gift they put in here. Sometimes it's a bag, sometimes it's a brush, sometimes it's, I forget what it was last month, can't remember. And this is what is this month's. And it is a very small bag. Very small. Very, very small bag. Goodness. Yeah, it's a square bag, but it's very, very small. You know, I mean, you may be able to use it for, I don't know, spare SD. Things for your camera, or I really don't know what this is good for. Maybe a contact bag for your contact solution when you travel. Other than that, it's not really worth much. It's not worth much for the makeup side of things. You know, maybe, you know, if you're going to have a couple perfumes or something to put them separate in your bag. That's about it. It's not really worth a whole lot. It's all of about 6 inches. My span is the same as $1, and that's 6 inches. So, yeah, it's about 6 inches. And, of course, you get your $10 off of any beauty products from the beauty department. You can use that online or in store. And then you get, and this is all samples, and I'm basically turning this on more so I can read than anything, because I have light in here. Let's unbox it. This is usually samples, deluxe samples, things like that. But there are several this time. Oh, there's two perfume samples. There's 2 perfume samples. And we have Libre from YSL. Gotta find my glasses. Oh, those are, I thought they were here, but they're sunglasses. Well, hold on. Funny thing is, I just took them off to walk in here. Okay, they're gonna, this is the Libre. And this is Eau de Parfum. I kind of assume it's, since it doesn't say it, let's see what it is. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Hope it smells good, because I got it all over me. This is kind of, it's kind of old lady with a touch of baby powder, maybe? Yeah, that's kind of what it smells like to me. And then this one is La Homme, Homme. And we'll see what it smells like. I'm sure people would say, oh no, that smells like money. No, it doesn't. No, this one I like. Yeah, this one I do like. This one I like. This one smells like a touch of floral with a hint of like cedar or something in it. Yeah, it's like a mix. And that's why I like it. I don't, if I'm gonna have, I don't want to smell like a man, quite honestly. If I wanted to smell like a man, I don't want to. I'd have a man if I wanted to smell like a man. Okay, then we got a jumbo. What is it? Oh, that's makeup all over my shirt. A jumbo eye pencil crayon. That's what this is. And I'll open it if I can figure out where the thing is. And this is made by NYX. I'm so used to, you know, when it's Macy's, a lot of times it's names of them don't hear of very often or haven't heard of. So we're going to see what this looks like. I'm going to stick this right on my hand because it's easier for me to show you. That's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if I showed you because you know how I am. I get a little bit excited there. And then we have this from NYX. What is this? NYX. What does it say? I don't know, but this is what it is. Maybe I'll be able to tell when I open it up, because sometimes on the inner packaging it looks more. Ophthalmologist tested, waterproof, 12-hour power. I'm cool with that because I have a real hard time with my eyes, as everybody knows. And this is one of these kind. It's a crayon kind. And that's what it looks like. Or you can go really thin with it. Yeah, you can go thin with it. So, yeah. I'm sure my ophthalmologist would agree with that one. Okay. Because, you know, I'm half blind these days. So I get in there. And this one is... Who is it by? Smashbox, and it's primerizer. And I'm assuming it's just a primer. Yeah. Just a primer. Just a primer. Then we have lip injection maximum plump from Too Faced. I believe I had one of these once before, and I really liked it. Yeah, I'm not sure if I have that. Yeah, I had it the right way up. Wasn't sure if I did or not. So we're going to see what this is, because let's be honest, this orange is not good. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. Let me see if I can get it the right direction. Now this is just clear. I've never had the clear. Wipe that on there, get that stain off. Okay. I've never had the clear. I would assume you probably need to. And then this is, ooh. This is YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. YSL. Which means we can't afford that shit. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It's clear. It's a clear primer. Yeah. I was looking to see if it was for any particular area, but it's not. And it's got this little doe foot on it. It's kind of a gel type, but it goes, oh, I see the difference. Oh my. All right, this is right where I put that. And it instantly, and it's dry. It's like, over here is where I put the other. Do you see the difference? This is tacky. This, man, big difference. Don't you hate that? Because you know you can't afford it on the regular. You know you can't. Okay, then we have this is, what is it? Oh, it should say here. Monster Big from Lancôme. So I'm assuming this is probably another mascara we can't afford on the regular. So let's just see. And this is the kind of tofu that uses. And let's just see. Are you really? Gotta have mascara on. And yes, I realize I screwed it up, but is it monster big? It is bigger than the other eye with one coat. Is it monster big? Yeah, it is bigger than the other one. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I still can't afford it, but hey. So anyway, that's my Macy's box this month. And yes, yeah, I believe it was worth $15. This was probably worth $15. Yeah, and I realize it's a sample, but YSL is very expensive. Very expensive with everything. And let's see. Also, we ended up with 2 full-size items. Who did I say that was by? Did I say? Oh, next, yeah. We ended up with 2 full-size items, plus the bag, which I'm sure you can find something to use it for, and 2 perfume samples. 2 perfume samples and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples. And the bag for $15. And it's stuff that you probably couldn't afford. So, you know, you want a sexy night out, you can use that perfume or, you know, great. But the 2 full-size items paid for your box. So anyway, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I'm down to needing 15 subscribers. Of course, thank you, YouTube. I was down to 14. And then, you know, if you don't watch a video for so long, YouTube will come back and unsubscribe you. Anyway, so please, get on there, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff, because it really does help. And my goal is, this is my birthday month, so between Christmas, my birthday, and New Year's, I'd really like to hit it before Christmas. Thanks. Bye.